So you have access to cloud services on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. But how do you get access to your tenant to save and manage data? You may have tried Googling 3DEXPERIENCE, which returned these results, and click this link. You then discovered that this is more of a welcome page for Dassault Systèmes' product portfolio as a whole. To access your personal tenant, type the following URL into your address bar. When it loads, you'll see a string of numbers preceded by a lowercase r. This is your personal tenant ID. Now that you have access to your tenant, bookmark this for easy access in the future.